lovely.
Want to touch it?
No, thank you. I'll just take a picture of it. Okay. Okay. Go on, guys. I'll see you back up there.